Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1953 Chevrolet 3100 pickup, all steel, 165 miles on a complete frame-up restoration. Beautifully done. Love the color combination. If you've been watching my videos, you know I love these fat fender trucks, man. Some of my favorites, and this one's nice. I guess the truck was already a custom built truck, and then they completely did this. It's got brand new Tuxedo black paint on it. It's got all custom diamond stitched red leather interior. It's got a 5.3 LS based EFI engine in it with a 4L60 automatic overdrive transmission. It's just a 10-bolt GM rear end with leaf springs for rear suspension. But nice truck. All steel, sits good, runs and drives excellent. Just a nice truck, guys. Again, sorry we're shooting everything inside. I'm recovering from hip surgery. We got tons of snow out there and I just can't take the chance to slip in, and so for right now, until I'm healed, doctor's orders, my wife, everything's got to be done inside so I don't slip and mess this thing up. It's got all LED lighting. You can see they've updated the headlights, new bumpers, got all new glass in it. Pretty truck. Electric wipers. It's got the dual chrome mirrors on it. And love the black with the red. Absolutely love that. One of my favorite color combinations. It's got the oak bed with the stainless strips. They put a custom fuel tank in it. And I'll tell you guys, like I say, 165 miles on it. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick. It's a fresh build. This is a little different. They put your fill in here on the fender, which I know why they did this, because a lot of people don't like to deal with kind of putting that hose over top of the tailgate every time, and just exactly why they did that. It's very easy access to fill. That is a pretty truck, man. Uh, 17-inch US mag chrome wheels all the way around it. It's got ZR rated rubber. Complete Mustang II front suspension on it. With tubular control arms, power rack and pinion steering. It's got the Fitech controller on it. And again, it's a 5.3 LS based engine, aluminum heads, headers. It's got a CVF billet serpentine system on it. Aluminum radiator with electric fan. They've chromed this piece. Spectre, cold air intake. Again, power rack and pinion steering, power front disc brakes, air conditioning, really nice. Got the Fitech. I know it's hard to see because everything's so dark in here, but beautiful truck, gorgeous truck. New glass, electric wipers. Again, dual chrome mirrors. You can see all this stuff is really nice on the truck. New door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. Love the diamond stitched red in here. I love that. It's got all new custom wiring harness in it. Chrome tilt column with a billet wheel. It's got the Dakota VHX gauge. Oh, I gotta have the what do you call it on there? VHX gauge cluster. Aftermarket air controllers. There's your LS controller on it. We'll see that when we fire it up. All new carpet. Flowmaster dual exhaust. Again, 10-bolt rear axle. I think it's 355 gear. And definitely built to cruise. Fun truck. LED lighting. Again, door seams are nice and clean. It's just a good truck. It's got the bow tie sill plates on it. That's pretty cool. Again, love this seat. Really nice seat. I'm sure that cost a pretty penny right there. Very comfortable. Really nicely done. Radio delete. Love this stuff. It on. It's your electric bandit. Again, 4L60 automatic overdrive trans. 165 miles on the truck. Holds good oil pressure. Works. Fit and finish is nice on the truck. LED lighting. Really good sound. Again, radio delete, so there's not much to really show you in there. Wipers are electric, they work. Updated headlights. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button here at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Have a great day, guys.